Hey guys, and welcome to another awesome video. Anyways, we're gonna be buying V-bucks. So going to your last tab, the best thing you guys can do is buy this. That's because you get 50% extra. Well, 56% extra. So that means if you divide how many V-bucks by the money, you're getting more than if you just buy 800. So that's why I always suggest going for the max amount. Now the reason I need the max amount is because I do giveaway, so I always need to purchase these. Anyways, once you confirm your purchase, it's just going to process. I like to use PayPal, but you guys can use anything you guys like. It's just safer that way, just in case something goes wrong. You can always go back to PayPal. Although you should go back to PlayStation if you're doing this on PlayStation, so you don't get banned or anything else like that. Once you go back, you should see that it's summed up. So on the top right hand side of my screen, I will see 13,000 V-bucks when I only had 1,000 left. Anyways, that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.